This is our new mattress from EGOHOME, and it is amazing how much mattress you get for the buck these days compared to 10 years ago when we bought our last mattress for our king-size bed. All right, so I'm gonna unbox it for you. I'm gonna set it up for you. I'm gonna tell you my thoughts and some of my first impressions. All in all, we are really impressed. All right, so first of all, once you break the seal and once you get this thing unwrapped, it just begins to expand. I would say it gets to about 98% in like 1 minute, maybe 90 seconds. And then that last 2%, you just got to give it all day and all night, 24 hours, just to breathe and to fully expand. And I think also just to expel any gases or fumes, although I will say there were none that I could sense. So I wouldn't lay down on it right away and just get a good night's sleep because you're breathing anything in there that might be expelling still. But it was not like 10 years ago. It was just like amazing and no smells, and it was great. All right, so there's the mattress itself. It's very nice, very impressive. We got the 12-inch. Don't think, oh, I want the really soft one, so I'll get 14-inch. That's not how you should think. Go to your bed frame, and figure out how tall of a mattress would look good on this bed. So we did not get a 14, and we did not get a 10. We got a 12, and you'll see why when you see our bed here in just a minute. So again, this is the Ego mattress. Here's our old mattress. We have loved this mattress for 10 years. We spent a good amount on it, and it's really served us well. But you know what? After 10 years, it's time for a new one. So we've slept 4 days on the new mattress. I would say day one, I woke up with just a tiny bit of mid-back discomfort. It wasn't a lot. It wasn't anything to complain about, but don't let that scare you. Day two, probably a little bit better, and then by day three, it was gone. It takes 30 to 60 days to warm up to a mattress because your body is used to the old one, and so don't get too worried right off. Give it some time. By the way, do you see those little plastic beads or those rubber beads? That's to keep it from sliding around. All right, this right here, this is, of all the tags on here, this is the most important one. It's called CertiPUR-US. That means that the memory foam and the manufacturing process has been looked at and triple checked and really make sure that it's safe. Because think about it, you are putting your face next to this foam for hours on end. You want it to be manufactured in a pure way, pass all the tests, because again, you're breathing this in. So I like that. All right, the zipper does go all the way around and it goes underneath the mattress. That's why you didn't see it earlier from the sides, which is kind of cool. Underneath that is all the foam, but on top of the foam and before you get to this cover is another layer of like a canvas. So it's kind of cool how the memory foam is really protected from dust and such. So I just like that little extra detail. Well, there it is, right there. So pretty. It's got that texture on the top, which helps you because your sheets are not sliding so much. It does have a certain kind of wrap on the top, the textures and the materials. It keeps it cooler. I would just tell you from experience, 68 degrees is the perfect temperature for your room at night to get the very best sleep, in my opinion. But you'll see that from a lot of other people. Obviously your mattress is not gonna be 68 degrees, but you don't want that mattress collecting heat. You want it to be expelling that heat and keeping you cool so you sleep better. And this one does that. It's really nice. All right, what else can I tell you? Look at this right here. This is kind of perplexing. See how soft that is? When you get on this mattress, the first thought is, ooh, that's soft. That feels really good. It really gives. But then when you sleep on it, you're gonna be like, that's a firm mattress. It's a strange, soft, but really firm. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, this is like an 8 in firmness. My last one was probably a 7. So this is actually slightly more. We like it. All right, so there you go. Remember I told you I got 12-inch and not 14. Can you imagine if that was 2 inches higher, it would go above the rail. 2 inches lower, it might look a little too small. So just fit the bed just right. All right, let me pull this back while I'm doing this. Let me just tell you, we are satisfied with it. Really a lot of bang for the buck as far as the mattress. Very, probably about half the price that we paid on our last one, and it's probably a better mattress. Lastly, I'll just tell you this. The company did send this to me. They didn't pay me to do this review, but they did send it to me. So this is my review, and I'm really happy about it. So hope that helps you. All right, have a great day.